Alright, so welcome back. I wanted to do the 52-week challenge, and I'm actually going to do this with my husband. So he's going to participate as well. So we'll have double the money since we're both inputting the same amount. I'm not sure if we want to go in order or we're just gonna pick and choose depending on how much money we have left over in our budget. Or I was thinking about maybe cutting up 52 little slips with numbers and then balling them up and then having our kids pick out one each week. We're starting today. I don't know if I should put the date. Start today. So for this week, we're actually gonna do 2 weeks at a time. We're gonna do 2 weeks worth, so that's $1 each. So him and me, that's $1 each. And then we have to do $2 each the next week. So this is our week 1, and then this is our week 2. So we are covered for these 2 weeks. And this is the envelope, 52-week challenge. So I plan on taping this up here, and then we can check it off. And then that way I don't need another envelope or slip. It's just together, and this will be a nice extra money that we weren't expecting. Maybe we can use it for a little staycation, a little mini trip in state, do like a little family vacation with it. So that's the first one. And then I'm also doing the $5 and the $1 challenge where I'm keeping the change. So I have 2 5s to add to that one. And I don't know if I want to tally this up all the time, or just kind of wait and do it quarterly or monthly. I think monthly might be too soon. We'll do it quarterly. So I guess in June we can see this technically, but we might just wait then and tally it at the ending. So then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $8 to go into our $1 challenge. And I think I'm gonna print out something like a nice little label or printout so that I know that's what these are. Credit card debt tracker. I've worked hard to bring this number down, so I'm currently at $630 at the moment, and there are 30 cards in here, so each card equals $21. So I'm going to come on here and color in every time that I send a payment. Only tricky part about my credit card is that I still do use it. I like using it for my online purchases. I feel it's safer if I use a credit card. So what I do is I'll use my card for whatever items I want to buy. I separate the cash from my envelopes into a back to bank or back to credit card. I make one big payment into my credit card, and that is reflected on my bill. So all my debt will go up, but within that same month I pay it off, so then it will return to whatever amount is that I have. So I'll be coloring in these as I make payments, so keep an eye out for that. And that is the end of my video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like and leave comments below. I will catch you on the next one. Bye. Bye. And I'll see you next time. Let's get started. And let's get started. And let's get started.
And that's a wrap.